Well, what do we have here? Starite MT sent me a rear windshield for my 2025 Polaris Ranger 1000. Thanks for watching, guys. So we just got this from Starite MT. It's a rear windshield that they've hooked me up with. Thanks for reaching out, guys. I'm super excited about this. We're going to open it up here. We're going to go through the instructions. Let's install it. We got the rubber gasket here, so we're gonna take everything out here, but we'll put that gasket in. It's like opening up a gift at Christmas time. I'm excited. Cool. Got some stickers as well. I think we'll be throwing those up on the fridge and the side-by-side as well. Thanks, guys. Awesome. Look at that. Well, it feels good. It absolutely feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. Alright guys, I took off the protective film, and I've got to say there's not a single scratch on here. It looks awesome. I think first things first, we're going to put a sticker on. So I asked my little girls which ones they liked best. They liked this one, bottom one, so let's go put that on. Well, my eyeballs say it's straight. Pretty sharp. Love the tint, especially when you're looking in your rearview mirror and you got the sun at your back. This is going to be minty. All right, let's put the gasket on. Okay, so we got installation. It's pretty basic. I love the pictures, so that's pretty cool. Get a good picture of it for you. So obviously step one, took off the protective film, and now we're going to install the gasket. So we're going to make sure that is facing the proper way. The window appears to be universal in the way you put it. However, there is a sticker already on it from factory. So I would like that sticking out, so that will be the exterior window. Let's get that going. Going on pretty good. I'm impressed. Don't need any tools. I am absolutely able to do this with my thumbs, which I'm a big fan of for sure. It's gonna take me a little bit, so see you guys shortly. Awesome. Okay, so I got the lower and the upper brackets. The upper one's the handles, hardware. So we're going to do step 3. Install 3 handles and rotate handles to the unlocked position as shown. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you're going to need an Allen key, number 4, and then you are going to need a 10 mil. Let's get this going. You want to lock it into position. Very tight, which I like. Alright, we'll put the last one in. So I struggled on the other one. Definitely struggled on the other one, but hey, you got a piece of gum in your mouth. It works. It's kind of deep and I just couldn't get it to work in my favor. Trick of the trade, I suppose. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do the lower brackets. They're going to be on the same side as the locking handles. So here we have, we're going to go right here. Number 4, install 4 lower panel brackets on the same side as the hand knobs, and then we're going to do step 5. Get my thumb out of there. Lower panel brackets in the vehicle frame, then tip the upper edge forward into the ROPS. All right, let's get this done. All right, that's looking good. Now let's slap her in, see how she fits. I like it. Nice and tight, it's solid. Let's take this thing for a little ride. Alright, this is super cool. I love that it's tinted. We do a lot of night riding, and everyone's got light bars nowadays, including myself. And there is nothing cool about being blinded at night. Let's go for a ride. guys a quick look here. Like, the seal is good. I really like this seal all around. And I'm also a very big fan of the fact that when it comes to summer, if I want, all I have to do is take them out. Lose the window. No tools, nothing. So that is a huge pro for me. Very awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks Starite for hooking me up. I much appreciate it. And I wasn't expecting a tinted one, so I'm extra excited. And I highly recommend that you guys take a look at Starite. They've got some pretty good stuff. It's well priced and it's high quality in my opinion. So have a good one. Take care.